Hi, I'm Karma, and welcome to my channel, Karma of Ominit. Today we're going to be doing a box unopening for Goddess Provisions, and this is the first box that I've received from them, so it's my first box unopening. And I do know that they do things a little bit different, so we'll see where we're at. So this is June 2020, and it's an initial subscription box. That's right. So this box, they were all sold out of June. They've been all sold out of May. So when I signed up, even though it was early in on the month, they had already sold out for the next month. So we got to choose between two old boxes. And the only thing that I'm really disappointed in is the box this month that they're sending out has a journal that's good for 9 months. And the only way for us to get that now is to go to the store and actually buy it. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I know with Lunarly, they always send out the journal with new subscriptions. So I had written to them to kind of ask and see if there was any chance that we might at least get the journal. And they basically said, no, there's no chance that we're sending out the journal in any future boxes or anything like that. So I probably won't buy the journal, even though I'm really disappointed that I didn't get it, especially since I subscribed for that month. They had just already run out of the boxes. So I chose the Lucid Dream box, not remembering. I think the other box was called the Lightworker box. So this is an older box then. So I'm just going to kind of pull things out because it looks like their card is in the bottom of the box so that I can look at what we're looking at. Yep, the card's in the bottom of the box. That's a little bit different than most boxes. Most boxes that I've opened have the card on the top, which is kind of nice because you can read it as you put things out. Oh, cute. So I do know with this box, one of the nice things, so it looks like the back two are just different. They have different programs that you can join. Like I did join one of their goddess programs that's like $9 a month, and they give you a whole workbook on the moon and what's happening with it, where the other planets are, and how that could influence what's going on with you. And then on this side, they have the products in the bag. One thing I do like about them is if you like the product, they actually have a coupon code underneath the product. So if I wanted to reorder something, I could do that. So let's start. Looks like we have a dream journal. Now this subscription box, you can get through, oh no, I'm going to forget the name. Crate Joy. Wow. Crate Joy is a great place to go. The only one that I found that I ordered that I cannot get through Crate Joy is Lunarly. And I do like how all your subscriptions are there so you can handle them really easily. And so if you're going to order anything that is available through Crate Joy, I would probably choose it. I did look, and it appears the prices are the same, whether it's on Crate Joy or whether you go to their website and buy it straight through their website. So, nice dreams. So this looks like mostly a blank journal for you to write, but it looks like there's little sayings in the middle of it as well. This is, I'm assuming, to keep by your bed so that you can jot down any of your dreams stuff, and it does have a little marker in it as well. That's nice. And if you happen to watch my unboxing of Lunarly this month, I got spray for the pillow, so this will all go really nicely together. And I got a book in that also was a dream interpretation book. So between those two boxes, at least those go together really nicely. So it says Magic of Dream Journal. Let's see if I can read this. Practicing dream recall can help induce lucid dreaming. If you don't know, lucid dreaming is where you know you're dreaming and you can control what you're doing. So the only experience I can really remember that I did that was just recently, was really my first time. And I knew that I was dreaming and I was really missing my grandson. And so I pulled my grandson into the dream and played with my grandson in the dream, even though I knew that we were dreaming, or I was dreaming. So kind of interesting. So that's lucid dreaming. Keep that journal the journal by your bed to record symbols, themes, and feelings of your dreams, and to uncover powerful insights from your unconscious and the mythical realms. And then it says, the price on it says it's a $20 value. Okay? Then this right here says magic hour, time for infinity, made with love. And it has the ingredients. So this is a lucid dream tea, Club Magic Hour Lucid Dreams tea. Dreams allow us to process experiences and emotions from the day. Enjoy a nighttime tea ritual with this organic tea blend to, Okay, I'm back and I can read now. So that last sentence says, enjoy a nighttime tea ritual with this organic Tulsi tea blend to wind down in preparation for some healing shut-eye. And it says that it's an $8.50 value. I want to open it and see if it's looks like it might be a loose leaf tea. I love tea, and I love loose leaf tea. So we'll see. Yep, it's a loose leaf tea blend. Beautiful. You probably can't see it, but oh, that's really nice. Oh, I'm excited to try that. So it says artisan Tulsi, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, black pepper, cloves, coconut essence, and cinnamon essential oil. It's organic. It says steep 1 heaping teaspoon per cup of freshly boiled water or milk. Sweeten as desired. The pouch makes 14 cups of bliss. Very nice. I'm excited to try that because I really love teas. The next thing we have is Access Our Eyes Dream Seed Bag. So it's a little dream mask. It's pretty thin. It's nice that it has 2 elastics, but it's pretty thin, and it says seeds, but I don't feel any seeds in it at all. It's just 2 pieces of fabric, the outside, which has a cool design to it, and then the softer inside layer that's going to be next to your eyes, but there's no seeds in it. It says block out distractions and doze off to dreamland with this super soft micromodal mask. The screen printed design features gold ink infused with selenite crystal to aid in lucid dream states. Well, that's nice that it has the selenite crystal in it. Very cool. It doesn't say anything about seeds in it, so I guess it's not really meant to have seeds in it. It says it's a $22 value. Maybe that's because of the gem in it. Because I don't think I'd spend $20 on it, but maybe it's because of the gem that's in the paint to help you with a lucid dream. So maybe that's why. Next, we have Luna Nectar Nocturne Magnesium Spray. So that must be this. Oops. Leaked a little bit. Yeah. It's kind of concerning because it's a spray. So to have the spray leak, you can see it's leaked quite a bit on the bottle. But at least it was in a bag, so it didn't get on anything else, and wiping it off isn't going to take too much Doesn't really have much of a smell to it. But it says it's magnesium spray. It says Nocturne Anti-Stress and Sleep Magnesium Oil with Aloe Vera. It says, this topical sleep support potion is made with magnesium, aloe vera, lavender, and sweet orange essential oils. Spray onto your skin to relax your body and mind before climbing into bed. You know, it is kind of tingling on my hands. Interesting. I wonder, because lavender doesn't usually tingle. Maybe the orange, maybe the magnesium, but it is tingling just a little bit on my skin. Not like a burn or anything like that, just a little tingle. Very nice. Like I said, doesn't really have a smell to it, even though there is the lavender and the sweet orange in it. But you could probably add a little bit more of those 2 essential oils if we wanted to. Next is the Goddess Provisions Dream Pillow. So this is the little dream pillow. And this box is more in the upper medium range. This subscription for 3 months was $99. So it's about $33. I don't know whether shipping's on top of that or whether shipping's included. So it's kind of in the middle range as far as boxes go. I'm not going to judge this box since this is an older box. I already knew what was in it. As far as pricing goes, I want to kind of wait until I have 2 or 3 of their boxes to really look at pricing to see whether or not I think it's worth it. So, it says dream big, and you can definitely smell the lavender in that. Beautiful. Nice. Goddess Provisions Dream Pillow. Tuck this sachet made with organic linen and herbs of lavender and mugwort under your pillow to promote dream recall, vivid visions, prophetic sight, and even astral travel when you snooze. And they say this is a $10 value. Again, that's the only thing that I might question a little bit is I know if I was out shopping and I really love these kinds of things, I don't think I'd spend $10 on that. But it does have some beautiful lavender in it. So there's that. Next, Hammered Moon Quartz. Aw, pretty. So it's a quartz. Oops. There's some little pieces of crystal that's fallen off of it. Because this did not form this way, obviously. They say it's hammered or cut. So really pretty though. Just a little moon quartz crystal. See what they have to say about it. Program this crown chakra stone with your intention to become conscious while dreaming and place it on your nightstand or under your pillow as you drift off to sleep. And they say that's a $4 value. I'd say that's about a $4 value, so they were good there. Oh, and then there's one more thing that's not here. It's, oh, you download it. That's nice. It says Sleep Hypnotherapy. Access an exclusive by proxy energy work session in ASMR style to support an empowered dreaming experience. And then it says that you download at, and then it gives the web page where you would go. So that's kind of nice that it comes with a download for you. I'll have to do that, and I don't know whether it's a guided or whether it's just music or what it is. But so there's this month's box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items counting the download. Not too bad. I'm happy with it. Like I said, I'm going to give it a couple more months so that I get the actual months for the from the company that they are offering, since they seem to be sold out every month. So if you're going to order with them, I would order early in the month. If you don't mind getting the Lucid Dreams or the Lightworker box, then you can order and they allow you to choose one of those 2 if they're already sold out for the month. And they're beautiful boxes, so I'm glad that I got one. But I'm excited to get the regular box next month. So until next time, have a blessed day.